Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are going to be dipping into some dip powders from Bling Galleria, and we are officially kicking off Disney week, and we're going to be creating a fun Mickey mani. Now the first dip powder here is Don't Take My Heart for Granite. This is a beautiful foil dip mixed with golds, rose gold, silver, red, black, and some glitter in here. It's just overall a beautiful, unique foil dip powder. And then we're going to be dipping into white pearl. Now this one glows in the dark. I have used white pearl in the past on my channel, and it is the most gorgeous white shimmery pearl dip powder, which is perfect for decals or any nail art. And then we're going to be using Raven, which is a super pigmented black dip powder, and it is perfect. It is rich and full of pigment. And then Real Red is a beautiful red dip powder, and it has a shimmer to it as well, and it is stunning, and you definitely need this red in your collection. And then we're going to tie in all these dip powder colors together with a cute little Mickey decal. In this decal sheet right here, it's one of the sheets that's included in my Nails Truly mystery sub bag for the month of April. If you missed last week's video, I did a whole unboxing of my sub bag with Nails Truly. So head over after this video to check that out, and there's also a giveaway link to that video. We are going to be making a set of press-ons today, and then we're going to start out by using some dip liquids, but then we're going to be transferring into some gels at the end. We're going to start out by dipping into that beautiful dark raven black color, which by the way is the best black ever. So if you are looking for a rich pigmented minimal staining black, Raven is going to be your go-to black dip powder. So definitely make sure you add that to your next Bling Galleria order. All right, so let's get into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how cute is this mani? I think it's super adorable with that little Mickey on there on that pearl white background. You can see there that it really makes that decal pop, plus there's a twist to it. It also glows in the dark, which makes it even more fun. These colors are giving me all those Mickey vibes. I really like that foil dip powder as well. It kind of has all those colors together, but yet you have the pops of gold in there as well, and silver. It just overall tied this mani in so well, and I really like the simplicity of this mani. So stay tuned. It is Disney week on my channel, so we will be doing more Disney manis and using decals from my sub bag with Nails Truly, plus some other fun nail items. So you do not want to miss it, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next upload.